Is there an X factor that could improve the performance of your business and at the same time provide you the safety and protection needed for a steady growth? Well, here is the answer. It's the good health of your tires. As you know, tires make a huge difference in running a business. Let me begin by asking you some factual questions about your own business. How often does a vehicle break down because of tire-related issues? Maybe due to a run flat or over or under inflation. Actually, this halt could cost us a lot. It would naturally take a lot of time to get the vehicle back on the road. The fact is, if the tires stop running, so does your business. All because of the turnaround time. What if we could help reduce these losses by 60%? Failing a timely delivery, downtime business loss, extra time in fixing the problems from the right place, the client satisfaction and goodwill, and so on. All these crises could be averted. Wouldn't that give you a sigh of relief? Well, what about fuel efficiency? Up to 2 to 3% fuel efficiency is reduced if the tire has low or high pressure. As per our research, a fleet owner with 25 vehicles in the fleet ends up saving 43,750 rupees a month, which is 25 liters saved per vehicle every month. Surprising, isn't it? But how can you always be sure to get your tires inflated correctly for better fuel efficiency? Not just the overall breakdowns and fuel efficiency, but also, what about the tires being scrapped? You would know that flat tires usually occur at a low tire pressure, and a conk happens when overinflated tires hit any object. What if we tell you that your scrap cases could be reduced by 80% for flat tires and 40% for conks, increasing tire mileage? Wouldn't that be a fleet saver? But wait, is the actual problem even bigger than this? What if we already knew the problem areas, yet were helpless in getting them fixed in real time with preventive care? Who will prompt us even before we could notice them? All of this without adding a single member of this work? Well, we at JK Treel have brought this dream to life with the help of our state-of-the-art tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. It's a one-stop solution to keep a check on your tire's overall health. It's fitted in the tire from the truck wheel center itself as you get your vehicle balanced. It's available for both tubeless and tube tires. Not only that, the entire workflow is really easy. Firstly, the Treel sensor is installed in the tire, and then the installed smart tire sensor keeps a check on tire's air pressure, temperature, and motion. Then, a signal is wirelessly sent to the TMAS app. The app, when opened, gives a dashboard view of driving, average fuel consumption, insurance reminders, and much more. All these alerts are instantly displayed on the screen of your smartphone or on your office desk. Just like other automotive innovations like GPS, ABS, and vehicle diagnostics, Tire Pressure Monitoring System is a next-gen technology for all fleet operators and OEMs in this business. It enables you to track, monitor, and optimize your fleet's tire management from anywhere. We join the efforts to save our environment through JK Treel by reducing vehicle emission and carbon footprint by up to 10%. With JK Treel, we ensure that your tires are always running so that your business doesn't have to halt.